An update, Grant live out in Cape Girardeau today. He is at the kickoff for St. Francis Medical Center's annual Pink Up breast cancer awareness campaign. Grant, what's going on?
Well, right now, Jeff, it is fairly nice out here. It's a little warm and humid, I think, personally, for this time of the year. But the weather right now is cooperating here in Cape Girardeau. But as we take a close look at First Alert Doppler Network, you'll see there are a couple of isolated showers still scattered about the heartland that we are watching. I've got my eyes on that activity near the Piedmont area that is weakening because that is actually headed towards Cape Girardeau if it were to hold together, but more than likely it will kind of fade out before it gets its way in here. Temperatures range from 69 right now, Mount Vernon, where we're seeing a little bit of rainfall, to the low to mid 80s outside the rain areas. Look at Sykeston, 86 degrees, and Paducah's coming in right now with 85 degrees. So as you take a look at your evening planner, sun gets lower on the horizon, temperatures get to the mid-70s on average, and we may have to dodge an isolated shower or two. We'll take a look at that extended forecast coming up shortly.
Now, First Alert Weather with Grant Day.
Well, again, we are live tonight coming from St. Francis Medical Center, where we're getting ready to kick off Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The weather right now, a little warm, but so far it's looking pretty good here locally. Take a look at your temperature trend for this evening. You'll see those temperatures, they'll be dipping down into the 60s as we head throughout the late evening hours. But Futurecast, I think, is a little excited about all that activity you see there near Cape Girardeau this evening. That's what we're witnessing right now in Piedmont that's headed our way, but a lot of that is weakening as it moves our way. But there will be a chance of a few scattered showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder as we head throughout the overnight hours, and then possibly again tomorrow. We're looking like a very similar setup tomorrow, kind of like what we saw today. They'll be isolated. The best chance of seeing those scattered showers and thunderstorms will be across our western counties, both tonight and tomorrow. But take a look at these low temperatures, not very low at all for this time of the year. Mainly mid to upper 60s out there, 65 Farmington and Fredericktown, 67 Van Buren. The best chance of rain, again, Farmington, Fredericktown, about a 50% chance overnight tonight, tapering off to about a 20% chance of rain as you head towards the Kennett area. Overnight tonight, Perryville, about 67. Same story for Cape Girardeau and Sykeston. 66 Carbondale, 67 in Caruthersville. And again, the further north and west you live, the better that chance of rain will be overnight tonight. Mount Vernon, 64. Seeing a few scattered showers now, but about a 30% chance of more showers redeveloping after the midnight hour. 66 in Marion, 65 Paducah, and 67 in Union City. As we head towards tomorrow, it's going to be another day where it depends on how much sunshine you see to what your temperatures will be. On average, there'll be more cloud cover across our northwestern counties and a better chance of rain, Farmington, Fredericktown, especially during the first half of the day. High temperatures in the mid-70s there, up to the low to mid-80s in our southern counties around the Kennett area, and 83 degrees. 81 Perryville, Cape Girardeau, 79 Carbondale, 83 in Caruthersville, 77 Mount Vernon, 79 tomorrow Marion, Illinois, and about 83 from Paducah down towards Union City. Now, as we extend things out, we still have a slim chance of scattered showers just about every afternoon, but the best chance of rain will be both Saturday and then again Monday. It looks like a pretty significant cold front will be moving through the area as we head towards late Monday, and that could bring with it some showers and thunderstorms. And behind that front, on Tuesday, we start to cool down, and looking in that crystal ball as we head towards the following Wednesday and Thursday of next week, it's looking like it could get pretty chilly across the heartland. Of course, we've got plenty of time to monitor that, as that's about 8 to 9 days away. But for this evening, looking pretty nice. We may just have to dodge a few isolated showers, but again, it's running a little bit warm for this time of the year.
It's been a dreary day across the heartland, but you may have noticed all the pink lights around Cape Girardeau. The Emerson Bridge is lit up with pink lights, and there are pink banners all over town. Well, they are all part of the St. Francis Medical Center PinkUp Cancer Awareness event, which is kicking off tonight for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's where we find Grant and the Storm Tracker live at 6. Grant.
My name is Jimmy Wilford.
Yeah, we are here outside right now, and it's very, very nice. The weather's a little warm out there, but we are watching real closely some activity to our southwest. You can see a couple of showers out there, but they are dissipating as they move past the Piedmont area and north of Dexter. And we can see some of the clouds to our southwest, but that activity continues to diminish. So only a few isolated showers are anticipated overnight tonight. You can see temperatures right now, 70 in Mount Vernon, where earlier we were in the upper 60s with some rainfall. Cape Girardeau right now is 81 degrees. One of the warmer spots, Union City and Sikeston, both coming in with 82, where Sikeston was in the mid to upper 80s earlier this afternoon. Now, as we take a look at your evening forecast, whether you're coming out here or you're going anywhere for your outdoor plans, we've got temperatures in the mid 70s on average about 7 o'clock, and then dipping off close to 70 by the late evening hours. We're going to take a closer look at tomorrow's forecast and the upcoming weekend shortly.
Now, First Alert Weather with Grant Dave.
Hey folks, we are getting ready for tonight. Again, we're live here for the kickoff of October being Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We're at St. Francis Medical Center. You can see all the folks, they're in line. They're getting ready for some good food up there. They're all having a good time. We're getting ready to, I think they just realized they're on TV now. Yes, you're on TV. So wave everybody. Say, hey, Mom. Hey, let's take a look at Futurecast right now. I want to tell you, Futurecast, much like these folks behind me here, a little bit excited. Yeah, we're not going to see quite as much rainfall as it's showing right now. The activity is in the process of weakening right now. So, yes, there could be a sprinkle or two if you have some evening plans, but for most of us, it should begin to improve weather-wise. Now, there will still be a chance of showers and maybe a rumble of thunder, especially later tonight into the first half of tomorrow for our northwestern counties, and we'll talk more on that right now with your forecast. So overnight tonight, the best chance of seeing rain will be in the Farmington and Fredericktown area, and that's after midnight. We're watching the possibility of some more development with temperatures in the mid-60s, mid to upper 60s from Van Buren down to Kennett. Notice Kennett's rain chance only 20%. 30% chance of showers after midnight. Perryville, Cape Girardeau, 67 for your low. 66 in Carbondale, 67 in Caruthersville with a 20% chance of some showers. Mount Vernon about 64 degrees, 66 in Marion, Illinois, and Union City, 20% chance of showers overnight tonight, 67 degrees. Now, much like we saw today, tomorrow's high temperatures will be dependent on how much sunshine you get. Right now, the best chance of seeing cloud cover will be across our northwestern counties. That's where we could see mid-70s for highs, but low to mid-80s in the Kennett area with 83 degrees. And again, the best chance of rain will be in our northwestern counties. 81 Perryville, Cape Girardeau, 83 in Caruthersville. We'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Mount Vernon down to Marion, Illinois. Union City about 83 degrees with a 20% chance of some showers during the afternoon hours. As we extend things out, your 7-day forecast, 82 Thursday, 82 Friday. Best chance of rain will be on Saturday and then again on Monday with scattered showers and maybe some thunderstorms. Now Monday, that's a cold front moving into the area, and right now it looks like it could be a significant cold front. The air mass behind that front next week looks to be very, very fall-like and very chilly, and we will continue to update you on that as we head throughout the week.
If you were in Cape Girardeau last night, you may have wondered what the fireworks were all about. Well, this was the grand finale at last night's fireworks show at St. Francis Medical Center. The hospital kicked off its month-long Pink Up campaign with a party last night. Well, the point, of course, is to raise awareness to help fight breast cancer. The hospital is teaming up with local charities to help raise money to pay for mammograms for women that might not be able to otherwise afford them.